here is obsessed with those Little Debbie Christmas tree cakes. I swear there's like a cult out there that obsesses and worships these little Christmas tree shaped cakes. In fact, I've even seen recently that there is talk of a shortage for Little Debbie cakes, and everyone's like, I gotta stock up. And I know so many people look forward to this holiday season because they can get their hands on them. Which brings me to the inspiration for the design of the soap. I've waited a whole year to make this soap because I accidentally created what looked like a Christmas tree cake soap last year. I couldn't decide if I wanted it to look like the inside of a Christmas tree cake, like if you cut into it and it was layers of white and yellow, or if I wanted the inside to look like the top of a Christmas tree cake. I went with it looking like the top. So maybe next year I'll do both versions and you guys can vote on which one you like better. Scented this with a fragrance called Spiced Chestnuts. It has notes of roasted chestnuts, warm spiced berry, nutmeg, clove, warm vanilla sugar. Hear me out, I know it's not exactly screaming cake to ya. It's really hard to find fragrances that have bakery notes that don't contain a lot of vanillin. And vanillin turns your soap brown. Since this is supposed to be a white soap, I just wanted to go with something that was still sweet, but yet Christmassy. I mean, it still smells like you could eat it. Okay, are these not the perfect toppers? I can't get over how perfect they look like, the little Christmas tree cakes. Like and follow for the cut, and let me know what your favorite Christmas time dessert is.